Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 205 pounds eating ketogenically and how you can be successful on your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you to get started. Well, just dropped my kid off at school. Good morning. Good morning, Monday. Welcome to day 24, I think, of my reverse diet. Today is day one of the final week of this first month experiment. So my plan in the when I originally decided to do this, my plan was to increase my calories by 50 every single week for 4 weeks. So this is the first day of week 4, and it will be a 1,500 calorie day. I finally made it to 1,500. Woo-woo! The scale is no longer dramatically up. It is still up by 4 pounds, but it is not dramatically up. I am having symptoms of having a water weight whoosh. I only got 6 hours of sleep last night, so I don't know if that affected the scale today. I think it might because it's really early, and I think I get a better weight if I can, sleep in a little bit and take my weight a little later in the day. But I'm pretty happy that it's at 173 at this time of day, so that's a good thing because normally I might not be. Normally I might be up higher. I don't know. I was expecting kind of up higher because of getting less sleep and having to be checking again, because like on the weekend I'm weighing myself around 9:30. On the weekdays I'm weighing myself around 7:15. So anyway, I'm gonna chat with you while we drive because that's what I do, but I promise you I'm keeping my eyes on the road as much as possible. I will not kill myself. I am a very good driver, and multitasking is a highly coveted talent that I am in possession of. Watch me kill myself now that I said that. Knock on wood. I got fake wood here, but I can't knock, or I have to let go of the steering wheel. Okay, anyway, oh my gosh. Can tell I am going to be tired today. So, my plan for this week is to do 1,500 calories for the 5 days leading up to the weigh-in. The weigh-in on Saturday will determine what I'm planning to do next month. If my weight increases this week, then I will probably stick at 1,500 calories for a little while. If it decreases this week or stays the same, I will probably continue to raise it up 1,500 until I get to about 1,700 calories. So for another month, I will raise it up 50 by each week. This weekend, I have a refeed planned. It is going to be 4 weeks since I did the last refeed. I like to do a refeed once a month. I do not do carb refeeds. So when I say refeed, what I'm basically saying is 2 days where I'm going to eat 2,000-ish calories. It's a higher calorie day. I use my fats and proteins to get those calories. Not always carbs, though sometimes I do an extra 5 or something carbs. So that's my plan for the weekend. We have a birthday party on Friday that I'm planning to stick in my macros, and then on Saturday Dave and I are going to go out for a date. We have not been on a date since our anniversary, July 1st. We are in desperate need. Both of us are feeling very depressed, and I know that part of the reason Dave feels depressed is because I am super busy and ignoring him. So I'm planning us a date because it's desperately needed, and we will be doing that on Saturday. And then on Sunday, I will just go ahead because I like the idea of doing a 48-hour refeed for my metabolism. I wish I had known about that sooner. I would have done that my whole once a month or once every couple of months, a 2-day refeed for my entire diet. I don't think my metabolism suffered very much the way I did it, which is just because I am not a chronic dieter. I've only had basically 2 big dieting, well, three dieting experiences in my life where I actually lost a lot of weight, and I was pretty successful at those. But over time, not quickly, but over time, I gained the weight back because I went back to my regular habits. So I guess you can say I've yo-yoed, though not a lot of times. And I have eaten low calorie, though not extreme a lot of my adult life or anything. Because I was breastfeeding most of my adult life, I didn't do that. That's part of the reason I gained so much weight. I just ate whatever because I was breastfeeding. Does that make sense? And I pretty much was pregnant or breastfeeding for 22 years, which is why I didn't lose the weight. Because when can you diet if you're always taking care of another child, another baby? So yeah. Anyway, so the plan is 5 days at 1,500 calories, 2 days of a refeed, and then on Saturday morning when I weigh in, I will make my decision on if I'm going to stick at 1,500 calories for a month or if I'm going to continue raising them up. So I will keep you guys in the loop. But let's get on with this day, because Monday is my contemporary dance day, and it already strikes fear into me for some reason because it's just new and because I'm really tired, and it's really late in the day when I get to that point. My class is like at 7. By then I'm wiped. I'm already wiped. I did not get enough sleep last night. Okay, you already know that, so I'm gonna stop talking now and I'll talk to you guys in a little while. Morning, ladies. And Cheek. I have pretty eggs this morning. Oh, some geese flying over. Here you go, Mr. Chicken Bone. Got you some water. You guys want to go inside? Kate, calm down and sit. Sit like a good girl. Sit. Sit, Elva. Elva. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Sit. Good. What you doing, Mousy? Did you find something to play with? Fruit snack? Okay, I have had my shower and fed all the animals, and now I have just a few minutes before I need to wake the girls up for school, and I am going to work on the budget. That's my budget book. I'm going to work on that, and then I'm going to wake up the girls. Poppy nodded. Goldie's sleeping. Wait a minute, Goldie? We have a Goldie. We have a Goldie chicken. We have a Snow Queen chicken from earlier in the book and a Goldie chicken. I'm starting to think that we have the same name choices as this whole book.
No, the Snow Queen was from Green Paper.
Oh, was it? Oh, that's right, the apple tree. And we have to go back to that book. We're finding all our chickens' names in our books. It's so funny. I am super grouchy today. Not getting enough sleep. Oh, look what Dad's doing. Cleaning the pool, getting it drained. He has to clean it up or we can drain it. I'm coming out to check on eggs before we eat lunch. What do you guys think? I'm always going to give you a treat. I'm not. Yeesh. I just think that I'm here to serve them and only them. Everyone thinks that. Who is it? Oh, hello everyone. Hello, Shadow. It looks like Lemon. Hi, Lemon. She's accepted her lot in life. All right, it is 1 o'clock. The kids are just finishing up their lunch downstairs. We're having our lunch break from school. And I am starting my meal off with some Crio Bru. So, I don't know if you guys have been a long-term watcher of my channel. You've seen Crio Bru a lot. Oh my heck. I haven't had it in so long. So good. This morning, it feels like fall today. And two of my favorite fall things, number one was pumpkin that I mentioned earlier, and number two is Crio Bru. So Crio Bru is like a hot drink that's made out of cocoa beans, so it tastes like hot chocolate. It really tastes like chocolate water, but you really do get the taste for it. I use 3 grams of squirt stevia / erythritol in it, and today I'm having 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, which makes it taste divine. You can do it with half and half or other, a protein shake or whatever, also to make it a little less in calories and more up your protein level. But right now I am doing a 1500 day, and I thought I'm going to have me some heavy cream in my Crio Bru, and it is divine. Okay, and so then let me show you the rest of my first meal of the day. Like normal, I've got 2 eggs, 40 grams of center cut bacon, and 56 grams of mozzarella cheese. I forgot to fry my cheese. I meant to today, and I didn't do it. I forgot. And it's okay. I'm also having, don't mind the school books everywhere, I'm also having orange vanilla Mio yogurt today. This is Fage, F-A-G-E brand, 0% Fage yogurt. And I've got 2 squirts of orange vanilla Mio water enhancer in there. The water enhancer link is in my Amazon affiliate links if you're looking for that. And 11 grams of Lily's baking chips. Then 3 sugar-free jellos. And I should probably mention, I'm pretty sure the Crio Bru is also linked in my affiliate links if you're looking for that. I buy mine on Amazon most of the time, though a lot of local grocery stores carry it because it is a Utah company. Surprise, surprise. All right, well, I'm starving. I'm going to eat. Hey guys, here I am at the dance studio, and it is, I think, 4:30, and I'm about to have my snack. Today it's going to be a Quest bar and 3 sugar-free jellos, and, of course, the only way I'm surviving this day, bang. Finished up my class, guys. Woo, that was crazy. It was fun. I had fun. Did you guys have fun watching us? Anyway, we are heading home for dinner. Gonna see the little kids again, but it's been a good day. As despite my fatigue, I have survived the day. So give me kudos for that. Well guys, I made it home. Whew, I am so tired. So I'm about to have my last meal of the day. It is 8:30, a little after 8:30. And this is what I'm gonna have. So I am having 155 grams of yellow squash. It's the kind like zucchini, banana squash, I think they call it. 6 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 1 serving of Rao's Alfredo sauce, and 60 grams of tomatoes. And that is going to put my macros exactly on, my calories exactly on 1,502 for the day. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. All right, so at the dance studio, I had a 3rd dose of Solé in my water bottle when I went to class, and now I'm about to have 4th. All right, beautiful people, I'm heading off to bed. I'm going to bed early tonight. It's only 11:45, and I'm skipping a hide and seek video tonight just so that I can get a little extra sleep because today was rough and I got clogging tomorrow. So I will catch you guys tomorrow.